Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul and let's get cooking. Welcome back everyone, great to see you again and welcome to our new subscribers. Great to have you on board. I hope you get to enjoy this channel. Today we're doing a recipe that's very close to my heart. I absolutely love this recipe, pulled pork. Now this recipe takes a bit of time, a bit of patience, but the end result is absolutely beautiful. We're going to get a pork color, which I prefer. We're going to make a dry rub. We're going to rub it, we're going to let it sit in the side and not rub for about a half an hour. While we wait for the rub to marinate into the meat, we are going to go ahead and make some hamburger buns. Yes, fresh hamburger buns. And if that's not enough, we're going to make a coleslaw. And by the end of it, we're going to make one of the best pulled pork sandwiches you've ever had. Guys, sit back, enjoy this. Let me show you how we cook this. This pork is absolutely delicious. It is juicy, it is tender, and it's full of flavor. That rub sitting in the pork for 45 minutes to an hour just filters its way right through the meat. Cooking it for that long, 4.5 hours for a 2.2 kilo piece of meat, it just does it justice. If the meat is smaller, remember, take a bit less time. You can always test it about 2-3 hours into it with your forks, making sure that the meat is falling apart. If it does fall apart, that means it's ready and good to go. Guys, making the burger buns definitely does justice. You can buy beautiful burger buns out in a bakery anyway if you don't have time, but making them is just a lot of fun. If you have too many, you can always wrap and put them in the freezer, pull them out when you need them. Little zap in the microwave once they're thawed out, they're just as fresh. Just make sure that when you're cooking buns in the oven, make sure you put a bowl of water inside the oven, something steel or even a pan, because the steam will make the buns nice and soft as it should be. Guys, once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining us for the new subscribers. I hope you learned something. I know there was a lot of information today. It was a bit long, but you can learn a lot of things today. 3 different things you can make. You don't have to make them all at once. You can make one at a time. It's up to you. Your family and friends will love this recipe as you will making it. Guys, once again, thank you for joining us. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe underneath and ring that bell so when we post, you'll be the first one to be notified. Once again, thank you. We'll see you again next week. Don't forget to tell a friend. Bye-bye.